You know, every single year, the entire design world is on the edge of its seat, just waiting for one massive announcement, Pantone's Color of the Year. The speculation gets pretty wild, and for 2026, the predictions were all over the place. So, what did everyone think it was going to be? Let's get into it.
So, if you've been keeping up with the trends, you probably noticed that pretty much every paint and design company was betting on some shade of green. The consensus was overwhelming. Honestly, the author of our source material was convinced, just like so many of us, that we were looking at a green or maybe a teal year. In fact, it wasn't just any green. There was this one specific color everyone was talking about, a really beautiful greenish-blue hue called Transformative Teal. Polls showed that a majority of people were putting their money on this one. It just seemed like a sure thing, right? It perfectly captured that global desire to reconnect with nature.
But come on, this is Pantone we're talking about. They love to keep us guessing. Just when we all thought we had it locked in, they pulled a classic Pantone move. They zigged when everyone else zagged and showed something totally different. And honestly, it's kind of brilliant.
And here it is. The color of the year for 2026 is Cloud Dancer. It's not green, it's not teal, it's this incredibly serene, airy, and super versatile shade of white. Our source says it perfectly captures the mindset of 2026, and you know what? I completely agree. It's unexpected, but it just feels so right.
Okay, so why is this choice such a big deal? Because with Pantone, it's never just about a pretty color. Their pick is like taking the cultural pulse of the entire planet. It tells a story about who we are right now and where we're going.
And that story, right now, is about all of us just wanting a little bit of simplicity and peace. I mean, the world feels a lot right now. With AI taking off and everything changing so fast, Cloud Dancer is exactly what it sounds like, a breath of fresh air. It's that moment of calm we're all craving.
Yeah, think of it like a blank slate, a total reset button. This color is basically an invitation to step back from all the digital noise and the crazy pace of life and just reconnect with what's real. You know, human connection, the natural world.
And you can really see this shift if you look back. In 2022, we had Very Perry, which was calming and kind of techy. Then 2023 gave us Viva Magenta. Bam! Super bold and vibrant. Now with Cloud Dancer, we're clearly moving towards something quieter, something about clarity, renewal, and just simple grace.
But what I think is truly amazing about Cloud Dancer is just how unbelievably versatile it is. As a neutral tone, it's literally the perfect canvas, opening the door for a ton of creative expression.
And to prove it, Pantone went all out. They didn't just give us the color, they dropped 7, that's right, 7 completely different color palettes to go with it. Each one creates a totally unique mood. We've got to take a quick look.
All right, first up, you've got Powdered Pastels, which is all about creating a calm and elegant vibe. And then right next to it, you have Take a Break, which is pure fun and joy. We're talking shades like Mango Mojito. It's wild how one color can be the starting point for two completely different feelings.
Next, we have Atmospheric, and it's exactly what you'd imagine. Dreamy, light, inspired by the sky. And to balance that out, there's Comfort Zone, which brings everything back down to earth with these warm, organic tones that just feel cozy and grounded. If you need a jolt of energy, Tropic Tonalities delivers with these super bright, cheerful colors like Kiwi Colada. But if you're feeling a bit more dramatic, Light and Shadow uses these deep, softened colors to create a really sophisticated, moody vibe. And finally, for anyone who loves a bit of pure luxury, there's Glamour and Gleam. This palette is all about high-contrast elegance, pairing Cloud Dancer with bold blacks, rich reds, and even some shimmering metallics. Just a really striking, sophisticated look. So when you step back and look at the whole picture, it becomes so clear why Cloud Dancer is such a perfect pick. It's not just a trend, it's a true reflection of the global mood and where we're all headed. Really, at the end of the day, this color is a call for balance. In a world that can feel so chaotic, Cloud Dancer is that little reminder to slow down, take a breath, and get back in touch with what actually matters. It's about finding a bit of harmony. And it's not just about how it looks in a room, right? This color resonates on a much deeper emotional level. As our source material says, it really does feel like a beacon of hope, a chance to start fresh and tune out some of the noise. So all this talk about a blank slate brings us to a really big question. This idea of a fresh start is so powerful, but what does that actually mean for you and your own creativity?
It makes you wonder what you do with that kind of opportunity.
So I'll just ask you directly. On this blank slate, with this new sense of clarity and renewal in the air, what will you create? What new ideas are starting to bubble up for you right now?
And hey, if that little spark of inspiration is maybe an idea for a new home decor line, you might be thinking, okay, what now? Well, that's where a company like Mondoro comes in. They can literally help you through that entire process, from that first creative idea to product development, all the way to expert manufacturing.
So if you're feeling inspired and you're ready to create, develop, and manufacture your own home decor products, don't hesitate. You should absolutely contact Mondoro to get that journey started. And of course, to keep those creative ideas flowing, be sure to listen to the Global Trade Gal podcast on all the major platforms and subscribe to the Mondoro Company Limited YouTube channel for more great insights. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.